So hello and welcome back everyone. I am Amanitike. So this is going to be a very short video and I am going to just tell you how to fix Vulcan force OP exploit, because for past 1 month I am seeing videos on the internet about how you can get force OP on any Minecraft server, which is actually true and it does work. It is not a fake video. So I'm just going to tell you, if you are using Vulcan, how to fix it. So first of all, you need to use the latest version of the Vulcan, which is 2.8.6. If you are somehow still on the older version of the Vulcan of 2.8.3, 2.8.4, or any version further than that, then I would suggest you to go in my description and there will be a link. From there you can download. Other than that, how to prevent this from happening on your server again, because it's just a bug and it can happen to any plugins. If you are using any anti-cheat other than Vulcan, maybe Matrix or anything else, so for that you should use a very small but a very effective anti-cheat, which names as anarchy exploit fix. So I had already made a complete setup guide for both of these videos, for both of these plugins, one of which is Vulcan and one of which is for anarchy exploit fix. So the good news for you all is that anarchy exploit fix is actually a free plugin, so you don't have to pay anything. But on the other hand, Vulcan is still a little expensive, but if you want the crack version, you still got it on my description or on my Discord. So let's see how to fix the force OP situation of the Vulcan, because I want to keep this video under 5 minutes or even less. So when we will go inside the anarchy exploit config file, you just need to scroll a little down and until you find the option of force OP. Okay. So now you will get an option of prevent opt players. So what this does is, like, if anyone gets operator other than the person who is whitelisted here, this plugin will automatically remove their operator position. Okay, so what you need to do is enable this option, enable the logs, so you can see who was operator or who made whom operator. So that's how you can see in the log file that which player is using hacks or any exploit to gain the advantage on your server. So it's very simple. So you just need to enable it, make the log files enable, whitelist yourself, or if you will not whitelist yourself, then you will also not be able to get the operator. Also, one another very good option to enable is prevent non-survival players. You should also enable it and enable the logs. So what it does, like, some players do, they don't just get into the operator position, they just need the creative status on the server. So what this part of the plugin does is that if it finds any other player who is whitelisted on this part, is on creative mode, spectator mode, or adventure mode, it will automatically change their game mode status to survival. Okay, and this plugin is small, but it is a very effective plugin and has very other options to change. But I use this plugin with Vulcan, so most of the work is done with Vulcan only, and this is just a backup plugin or anti-cheat, you might say. So for both of these plugins I have dedicated videos on my YouTube channel. If you want to set up these on your servers, I will personally recommend it to do that, because it's actually good. And if you still somehow have any issues, bugs, or anything, any problem related to anti-cheats or server plugins, just join my Discord, create a ticket, and me or my staff will assist you with the whole process. So I think we are done for the today. Thanks for watching my video. Be safe on the internet, and thank you. Over.